Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power root x equals 16 power x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 2 power root x equal 16, we can write it as 2 power 4 whole power x. Now as per exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power n power m. So 2 power root x equal 2 power 4x. Now, if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So root x equal 4x. Now I am taking square on both sides. So root x equal 4x whole square. With the help of this square root remove. So x equal 4 square times x square. So x equal 16x square. Now take all the terms together. So x minus 16x square equals 0. Or we can write it as 16x square minus x equal 0. Now if I'll take x as common, so 16x minus 1 equals 0. So first root x equals 0 and second is 16x minus 1 equals 0. So here x is equals to 0 and here 16x equal 1, x equal 1 by 16. So these are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next